again, folks. Shell Busey here with another one of my home service trades. People that are, well, I like to say good, better, best. Why worry about the rest? But that is something now that I've been involved in for many, many years. In fact, 35 years now in the referral business. And I thank you for all of you that are using our services, because we know that you're happy, because we don't hear anything but good news. And good news is really great, because to deal with good news, I've got Fred with me from CASP Garage Doors. Now, Fred, nice to have you.
Nice to
First
meet
of
you.
all, tell me, garage doors, they've come a long ways. I mean, I can recall 45 years ago when we moved west. Everything was cedar, natural finish. In fact, you see a lot of them even today out there, people that are stripping doors down and they're doing clear finishes. But there's a long ways ahead, Fred, that doors have come a long ways. Tell me about it, what CASP really have found over the last, say, few years in garage doors.
Well, the amount of variation and selection out there is unbelievable now. It's hard to keep track. I mean, if you're a homeowner, where do you start?
Exactly.
It is confusing. You go on a manufacturer's website. There's so many options. It can be a bit.
Well, I can recall when you were wanting to buy a garage door as a homeowner, you'd go to a building supply store.
Yeah.
But, you know, I can recall, because I used to train a lot of people with Beaver Lumber for years, and I was a training manager of staff. And anytime you heard garage door, you could almost see that trainee that was behind the counter. Oh, what do I do now? You know, is it a roll-up door? Is it a sectional door? Is it a one-piece door? What is going on in the industry? Because there's a lot of changes.
Yeah, it's a lot of metal, mostly steel insulated garage doors right now. A little bit of aluminum, but generally 98% of what we put in is going to be an insulated steel garage door that's going to last for
Forever.
40, 50 years.
Yeah. So as long as you're going to be in the home anyway.
Yeah.
You know, because what is the average? I believe now the average is somewhere around 6 years of home ownership that you move on to the next one, But you know, one of the things I've found with people phoning and going to our website, and you fellas get the call, and what about all the motorhomes now? They're putting into garage doors that are way up there.
Oh yeah. You can do a lot with garage doors now, especially with the new openers, side mount openers. You can high lift your garage door to your ceiling. A lot of people now, with real estate being so expensive, people have more cars than they have space. You know, doing these car lifts, and where they need room in the ceiling for the car lifts is very common now. High lifting a door like that to the ceiling just to get that extra clearance.
Well, you know, it's really been something like, I know you people have been in the business, well, you're family owned.
Yeah.
And your dad's on a holiday now, which is good for him, because Jonas certainly needs a holiday like everybody does, but he's got that great hand behind the scene, and that's you. And being out there, what about going out and measuring garage doors? I don't think I've ever known a company that can put a door on so quick as you guys.
Yeah, I mean, our guys, I mean, it's credit to the installers, really. You know, we train them in-house. We like to get guys that have no experience actually with doors and train them, just so they don't have these, you know, preconceived ideas of how to do it. We want to show them how to do it. We want to show them how to do it right and quick and efficient, you know, so it's going to last a good 30, 40 years. But yeah, doing it quick just comes over time.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't start it and do that within a year.
And you service the whole greater Vancouver area.
We are up from, we do Chilliwack to the Sunshine Coast, so to Pemberton. You know, we're all over the place. So.
Okay, now really excite the viewer tonight. How many doors can you put on in a day? Let's say, for example, close proximity. I don't mean to go from Horseshoe Bay to Chilliwack, but I mean, how many doors could you go out and exchange, taking the old door off and putting the new door on?
Well, typically we'll get a guy to do, or an installer to do 2 or 3 retrofits a day if it's in a multi-unit setting, strata setting. So we can change up to 10, 12 doors a day, if need be, and if it's new construction, that's a whole different animal. Then we if it's clean, we can pretty efficiently smack up six doors per guy kind of thing. So.
Wow. Well, it goes to show you, folks, when you book a door, that door will be on before you know it. But also, no commission salespeople.
Yeah, no, I mean, we at this point we don't need it. We've been around 40 years. I mean, my dad's obviously put in a great, the reputation of that he's kind of
credibility, and that's what we go for. Gosh,
Yeah.
he's been part of us for God, I don't know how many years, but it's amazing that doors for a garage. In fact, we used to say when we come out here 45 years ago, and then we're into the building supply business for a number of years, and I was with Beaver Lumber for a number of years. And the thing is, we used to call the greater Vancouver area the homes that are made of roofs and garage doors. Because first thing you saw was a roof, and the second thing was a garage door.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of variety today. How
There is.
do people find out? You got the magazines and take them out to them and show them?
Yeah, I mean, when typically if we come out to a house, we have an idea of what will fit, what will match. Then we get an idea of budget, what the customer wants to pay. If it's we're a situation where someone drove through a door and they're trying to just squeak by with as little small a budget as possible, or they want to really make a splash and get some great curb appeal. We kind of gauge that per customer.
First thing you see normally when you drive into a home
It is.
is that garage door.
Yeah, and people are taking more notice of it now. I think before there was no options, but now you can actually make a statement with your garage door.
Right.
You
What
know.
about these glass doors now?
We do lots of them.
Oh yeah, but we talk about light in the garage. It's you talk about security and all those sort of things, but glass doors really are classy when you look at the front of a home.
They are, yeah. They look beautiful, and actually they're not too bad to maintain. You break a pane of glass, you can just switch that pane of glass instead of a whole panel. So actually, the maintenance is quite cheap on them.
Right.
But one thing that people don't really realize is how nice it is inside.
Oh,
When you get that light in, it just opens up the whole room. It's almost like you're parking in a solarium or something.
I'm chuckling here, and the reason why I'm chuckling, how many garages do you open the garage door for the first time and see where does the car go?
Oh yeah.
I mean, there's storage areas, and it's unbelievable. Double car garages, and it's 20 by 24 or 24 by 24. 500, let's say 500 square feet of storage.
And it's packed with bikes and golf clubs
and boxes of stuff that goodness knows I'll never ever use. But one of the things too, I found that your crews they've been around for a long time. You've got some long service people with CASP doors, and that makes a difference.
Yeah, I mean our installers that's really the face of our company. So we are very particular with who we put out there to deal with our customers, and we're very backed up because we don't want to just grab whoever and get a quick job done, or take in a service guy or an installer just off Craigslist and get them out there. We want to train them.
You train them.
Which can lead to longer wait times, but in the end, the quality's there, and you can't force it.
I've never known a home that we've had with a garage door that hasn't been installed by CASP, or really even think about any repairs or adjustments. That they've always been what they are from the day they're installed.
Yeah,
that makes a big difference.
It does, yeah.
Because it hasn't got you running all over the place doing this adjustment and that adjustment, and that makes a difference, folks, and it means an awful lot to me. Because I always say, when I go to bed at night, I go to bed at night with my referral network on my shoulders. Because I got the respect for them, they have the respect for you as a customer, and when it comes to respect and all the qualities with assurances that they're there for a reason, that's why I say, good, better, best, why worry about the rest? Because if good is better, the better is best. and it makes a big difference when it comes to garage doors, safety of the garage doors, and maintenance of garage doors. How many times you go out to a garage door and you put your hands on it, you get grease. You don't get any grease from your doors. They're there purposely, and they're installed properly, and they've got the rollers that are proper rollers, and all these things. It makes a difference. Heck, how many years was it I was involved in garage doors because and before I realized there was such a thing as bushings and bearings. That bushings wear out, and bearings give you smooth running and quiet. And then you get into openers, and you got belt drives, and the old chain drives, and now the belt drives. You can have a bedroom right upstairs and never hear the door open.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
So it makes a big difference. So, folks, when you're thinking about garage doors, think CASP. That's CASP. Go to our website, askshell.com. Click on our referral network and our home services, because CASP is there. The information is there. And I know a lot of you already know it's there. So, Fred, I'd like to say thanks for coming out, giving us the story. We're going to do this from time to time because you've got garage doors. Just give us an idea. How many different patterns is there in garage doors?
Oh, there'd be hundreds.
Hundreds.
Yeah.
And all with neat hardware, neat outside character. You can have the Western flavor. You can have the silhouette flavor. You can have the ultra modern flavor, like glass doors. You can have roll-up doors. You can have them all.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's just that easy.
That's right.
Thanks, Fred.
Thanks, Sean.
Really appreciate
Yeah.
it. Thank you, folks, and keep in mind, tell your friends, askshell.com for your home services. No matter if it's repairing, replacing, or building, we take care of it all from A to Z here at Shell Busey's Home Service. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.